Are you ready to ditch the generic blast emails and finally connect with your customers on a personal level? Welcome to Braze Basics, your express lane to creating amazing customer experiences, even if you've never heard of Braze before today. In just 90 seconds, we'll unlock the power of personalized marketing. First things first, let's log in. If you don't have an account yet, Braze offers a free demo. So sign up and follow along. Once you're in, you'll see the Braze dashboard. Now, let's create your first campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. Click the Create Campaign button and choose Email Campaign. This will open the email editor where you can craft your personalized message. Add a catchy subject line, enticing pre-header text, and engaging body copy. Don't forget to personalize it using Braze's powerful templating language. You can add things like the user's first name, location, or other data points. Now, who should receive this email? That's where segmentation comes in. Click on the Segments tab. Here, you can create segments based on demographics, behavior, or any other data you collect. For example, you can create a segment of users who live in California and have made a purchase in the last month. Head back to your campaign and select the segment you just created. Now, only those users will receive your personalized email. Finally, track your results. Braze provides detailed analytics. Go to the Analytics section to see how your campaign is performing. Check metrics like open rates and click-through rates to understand what's working and what's not. Use these insights to optimize your future campaigns with A/B testing different subject lines and content. And that's it. You've taken your first steps with Braze. Now you can create truly personalized customer experiences that drive engagement and boost your bottom line. Happy marketing!